Hello there, this is Paris from Salespanel. So I'm going to take you through a virtual tour of our product Salespanel. So what exactly we do and how it can help with your existing sales and marketing tech stack. So let's talk about, we help you identify, track and qualify your inbound leads and accounts. So think of it like I think let's start with Google Analytics comparison. So GA4 gives you events information like what happened on your website. But as a sales rep or as an account executive or as a head of marketing, what you need is, in order to sell better for the purpose of sales enablement data and for data-driven marketing ops, you need single source of truth, all the touchpoint data of individual leads and accounts. So not just what happened, but who did what, and can I use this data in real time? For example, if I'm a lead, if I'm clicking on your website buttons and if I'm going on the pricing page, so is there a platform that is collecting this information in real time, scoring that lead, segmenting that lead, and helping you utilize this information in real time when the person is on the website, also passing this entire information to your CRM so that your sales team can make use of that, along with the score and all the enablement data that we have captured. So that brings me to customer journey tracking. So we have multiple entities within the platform. So basically, if you're trying to picture Salespanel, you can imagine a product with a tracking code, with a smart tracking code that needs to be installed on your website. As soon as you do, we start tracking your events happening on your website. So that's the first value unlock. Of course, we can do much more than that, but the first event capturing happens from website by the means of tracking code. So we'll be talking about leads, account, which is very obvious. Like if you're working with this CRM, you always have a person organization, very similar to that. We also have something called visiting companies. I'll get to that in a bit. So as you can see, we have a full-fledged customer journey profile where you have entire information you can expect from a sophisticated tracking platform, such as what was the first landing page. By the way, this is all historical data. So prior to this particular form submission event here, which was captured from Calendly, because we also have an integration with Calendly, this person was unknown, right? Of course, this is all happening in alignment with your cookie manager and all the cookie policies. So that's a separate detailed topic. I'm not going to go into that, but it's happening with the visitor consent. Okay. Now, Salespanel tracking automatically binds with your HTML5 web forms. If you have Calendly web form, if you have an exit pop-up, if you have, let's say, a lead gen form or intercom, all kinds of support here. So we are basically trying to connect an unknown person with an identification. Like if someone provides their contact details within it, then we do that. We identify the visitor. Okay, so we have this entire information, and this information also goes to, let's say, if you are connected Pipedrive, maybe Zoho, maybe HubSpot. I'll give you an example of Pipedrive. So we automatically connect all of this data to your Pipedrive person, so that you have the entire information, like what was the landing page and source medium, and what's the lead score, and all the activities being synced in real time to your CRM, so that your sales reps and account executives, they won't have to come back to Salespanel over and over. Plus, you can use this data because this is all being sent in the custom field, so you can segment your reports and create nice views by scoring your leads by the SP lead score, which is again customizable. Your marketing team can create rules, like if somebody goes to the pricing page, downloads the brochure, plays a video, so you can create all